Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create Netflix account in mobile. So basically guys, to create Netflix account in mobile, you'll have to go to the web browser and go to the Netflix web. So basically guys, once your Netflix web page is loaded, you will get to see this page on your screen, and then simply tap on the get started option available by typing down your email address on the email box available there, or the phone number you want to use to create while using Netflix. So after you note down the email, simply continue with the process. Now tap on the next icon available there. All you have to do is finish the setting up your account. Now enter a password or create a password. Now simply continue with the process again. Tap on the next. Now tap on the next again. Netflix offers different subscription plans with varying features and pricing. Select the plan that best fits your needs by tapping on it. So after selecting a plan, you'll be prompted to create your Netflix account. So you'll have to set up your payment method. You will need to provide a payment method to start your Netflix subscription. You can use a credit, debit card, PayPal, or other accepted payment methods. Enter your payment details as prompted. Once you have entered your payment information, review your plan details and tap on the Start Membership option available in the red highlights. Then after that, you can set up your profile and start watching. So that's it guys. By following these steps, you can easily create a Netflix account on your mobile device and enjoy unlimited streaming entertainment on the go. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.